Welcome back to Saltgirls Adventures, and in today's adventure, yep, you've guessed it, we're back in the Lake District ticking off another Wainwright.
Standing at 432 metres, Steel Knots is known for its sharp rocky summit called Pikawassa, which Wainwright described as potentially having the sharpest summit in the Lake District. The climb is a bit of a scramble, making it a memorable experience, especially for families.
Just parked at St. Peter's Church, guys, and we're literally going to go straight up this track, straight up the nose to the top. Steel Knots, also known as Pikawassa. I tell you what, that car park is absolutely chocker. It's all people trying to do haul and fill. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in Martindale. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today. So AJ, what number Wainwrights is going to be for you today?
46.
46, well done. And Bex for us?
68?
68, yeah, you're in.
How do you?
Those blue skies today, guys. So, from where we're parked, it's only about 0.8 miles to the summit. Let's make out somebody on the ridge up there. I guess this will be a short but very steep climb to the top. It's steep. Look at those views already of Ullswater. So, yep, Steel Knots, also known as Pikawassa. There's the church there. Should be an easy one to follow, this one. Just stopped and had a big crack with that guy back there. He's actually done all the Wainwrights, all 214, and now he's coming back and ticking off all the Burketts. He's also done all the outer line Wainwrights as well. Just getting nicer and nicer. Yeah. Take a little mountain. Oh yeah. Half a mile to go now. Swing you around.
Steel Knots is part of a popular Fusedale roundwalk, which includes other fells like Lord Pot Hill, Arthur's Pike and Bonscale Pike.
Guys, summit in sight. See the knob just behind it, Beta Fell there. And the turnpike's behind it, Place Fell. Well, nice grass, soft approach to the summit now.
The summit offers outstanding views of Ullswater in one direction and the valley towards the Nab in the other.
Here we are, we've made it to the summit, to Steel Knots, or Pikawassa. Well done, AJ. Alfred Wainwright described this as the sharpest summit in Lakeland. Well, if you're looking to tick off some family-friendly fells, make sure to add this one to your list. So that's 48 Wainwrights for AJ and 68 for us. We've got another 2 planned before our eagerly anticipated trip to Mexico. And please join our next video as we climb the infamously boggy Wainwrights, Armbar Fell and High Tove. Another one. Down to the church now, back to the car. If you go back a couple of videos, we did Beta Fill, Nangle Tarn Pike. You've got the nab there, that's the awkward one to get to because beneath it here you can see a track coming down, but it's all private land. Well, I've thoroughly enjoyed that. Not gonna lie, that's probably one of, or if not, the easiest Wainwright we've actually done.
As always, thanks for watching and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.